Can you imagine a day when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence? It's not just a sci-fi plot anymore. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, has been the subject of countless movies, books, and debates. It's been hailed as the future of human civilization and feared as the potential downfall of it. But what is AI really? At its core, AI is the ability of a machine or a computer program to think and learn. It's the pursuit of creating machines that can reason, learn, perceive, and process natural language in the same way that humans do. Now, the concept of AI has been around for decades, but it's only in recent years that we've seen a rapid acceleration in its development. And it's not just about creating machines that can play chess or recognize faces. It's about developing systems that can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially operate autonomously. Systems that go beyond the capability of a single set of instructions towards the ability to learn, make decisions, and understand context. It's this potential that makes AI such a fascinating and important subject. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live our lives, the way we work, the way we entertain ourselves, the way we learn, and even the way we create. But with great potential comes great challenges. How do we ensure that AI is used for the benefit of all, and not just a privileged few? How do we prevent it from being used for harmful purposes, and perhaps most importantly, how do we ensure that the rise of AI doesn't lead to the fall of humanity? These are some of the questions that we'll be exploring in this series. We'll delve into the potential impact of AI on different aspects of our lives, looking at both the exciting possibilities and the important challenges. We're standing on the brink of a new era, an era where machines can not only match human intelligence but potentially surpass it. It's an exciting yet daunting prospect. But one thing is for sure, the future with AI is no longer a distant dream. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the world as we know it. In this video, we will explore how AI can transform different aspects of our life. Artificial intelligence is already reshaping our workplaces. The influence of AI can be seen in every sector, from data analysis to customer service, and even in manufacturing. Let's start with data analysis. Gone are the days when businesses had to rely on manual interpretation of raw data. Now AI algorithms sift through gigabytes of data in a fraction of the time, providing detailed insights and forecasts. These algorithms analyze past patterns, predict future trends, and even suggest actionable strategies. This not only saves time, but also eliminates human bias and error, boosting the accuracy of the analysis. Moving on to customer service, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Think about chatbots. These AI-powered virtual assistants are available round the clock, responding to customer queries in real time. They can handle multiple customers simultaneously, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. They are also constantly learning from past interactions, enhancing their ability to provide accurate and relevant responses. In manufacturing, AI is not just a concept, but a reality. Robots powered by AI are being used for tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require precision. They work tirelessly without breaks, increasing productivity and reducing the risk of workplace accidents. They can also adapt to changes in the production process, making them a valuable asset in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment. AI's role in the workplace is not about replacing humans, but rather about augmenting human capabilities. It takes care of routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. It provides us with tools to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity. In conclusion, AI is not a futuristic concept but a present reality. It is transforming the way we work, changing our workplaces for the better. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we can expect these changes to become even more profound. AI is not replacing humans, but it's enhancing our capabilities in the workplace. The entertainment industry is getting a makeover thanks to AI. It's not about replacing human creativity, but rather enhancing it, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and taking us to new heights. Let's start with music production. AI is now capable of composing music that's indistinguishable from pieces composed by humans. Take the case of AI-VA, an AI that creates classical music for films and video games. AI-VA goes through thousands of pieces of music, learning from the masters, and then creates its own compositions, each unique and beautiful. This is not just a copying process, but an exercise in true creativity driven by algorithms. Moving on to film editing, AI is revolutionizing the process, making it faster and more efficient. AI can now analyze hours of footage, identify key moments, and even suggest edits. For example, an AI system called Largo.ai helps filmmakers make data-driven decisions about their movie's content to increase its potential success. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never blink. Now let's talk about video games. AI-driven storytelling is making games more immersive and interactive than ever before. Consider AI Dungeon, a text-based game where the storyline changes based on the player's input. The AI behind this game generates unique responses to each player's actions, creating an infinite number of possible narratives. It's like being inside a story that's being written as you play. But it's not just about creating content. AI is also transforming how we consume entertainment. With personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, AI is curating a unique entertainment experience for each of us. It's like having a personal entertainment assistant that knows your taste better than you do. So you see, AI is not just a tool, but a partner in the creative process, offering new ways to express human creativity and providing us with experiences that were once thought impossible. It's truly an exciting time for the entertainment industry. AI is pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation in the entertainment industry. And as we continue to explore and experiment with this technology, who knows what amazing new experiences await us in the future. Education is not left behind in the AI revolution. Imagine a world where every child has a personal tutor, a mentor who knows their strengths, weaknesses, and learning style inside out. This is not a distant dream, but a reality made possible by artificial intelligence. AI is completely reshaping the educational landscape. One way it's doing this is through personalized learning. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI algorithms can analyze a student's performance, identify areas where they struggle, and tailor educational content to their specific needs. This means that every student gets a bespoke learning experience, tailored to their individual strengths and weaknesses. Consider AI-powered educational apps, which are becoming increasingly popular. These apps use machine learning algorithms to adapt to each student's level of understanding, providing personalized lessons and exercises. They're like having a private tutor in your pocket, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Adaptive testing is another exciting application of AI in education. Traditional tests are static, with every student answering the same questions. But with adaptive testing, the difficulty of the questions changes based on the student's answers. If a student answers a question correctly, the next one is harder. If they get it wrong, the next one is easier. This way, the test adapts to the student's level of knowledge, providing a more accurate measure of their understanding. Then, there are intelligent tutoring systems. These AI-driven platforms provide real-time feedback to students, helping them understand concepts more deeply and apply knowledge more effectively. For example, an AI-driven online course might use natural language processing to understand a student's written responses and provide instant, personalized feedback. AI is revolutionizing how we think about teaching and learning. By leveraging the power of machine learning and big data, we can create educational experiences that are more engaging, more effective, and more tailored to each student's needs. AI is making education more personalized and accessible than ever before. Scene script. Can AI create art? The answer might surprise you. Imagine an artist that doesn't sleep, doesn't rest, and doesn't even need a paintbrush to create. This artist exists, and it's not a person. It's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in the art industry, pushing the boundaries of creativity beyond human imagination. AI can create unique and complex pieces of art, blending colors and shapes in ways that we could only dream of. Take, for instance, the AI-generated painting, Portrait of Edmund de Bellamy. This piece of art, created by an algorithm, was sold at an auction for a staggering $432,000. It's made by training a machine learning model on thousands of portraits, allowing it to generate its own unique painting. It's a fascinating example of how AI can mimic and even enhance human creativity. But AI's role in the arts isn't limited to creation. It's also transforming the way we curate and experience art. AI can analyze artwork, understand its context, and even predict its future value. It's being used to curate exhibitions, providing new perspectives and insights that might be missed by human curators. Let's consider the case of the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. They used AI to analyze their vast collection and curate an exhibition. The AI chose artworks that had rarely been displayed before, bringing to light hidden gems and offering a fresh perspective on the museum's collection. But what does this all mean for art and creativity? It's a complex question. Some argue that AI is just a tool, like a paintbrush, while others believe it's fundamentally changing the nature of art. One thing is clear: AI is opening up new possibilities, challenging our traditional notions of what art can be. AI is challenging our traditional notions of art and creativity, and as we continue to explore this brave new world, who knows what masterpieces the future holds. The future with AI looks promising, but it also comes with challenges. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, we're faced with a future that's as thrilling as it is daunting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is set to transform our world in ways we can barely begin to imagine. Imagine a world where AI takes care of the mundane, freeing us to pursue our passions and creativity. Picture a society where AI-powered systems help us make better, more informed decisions, from healthcare to politics. Envision a planet where AI assists in solving complex problems like climate change and poverty. Sounds like a dream, right? But alongside such potential benefits, we must also grapple with the risks. What happens when AI systems make mistakes, or worse, when they're used with malicious intent? Who is held accountable? What about job displacement due to automation? And how do we ensure that AI doesn't widen the gap between the haves and the have-nots? These are serious challenges that require careful thought and planning. As we delve deeper into the age of AI, ethical considerations become paramount. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that respects human rights, promotes fairness, and prevents harm. Regulation is another crucial aspect. We need laws that keep pace with technological advancements, ensuring that AI serves the public interest and doesn't become a tool of oppression. We need transparency in AI systems so we understand how decisions are made, and we need to ensure that people have the ability to challenge decisions made by AI. The future with AI is not a foregone conclusion. It's a journey, and we're at the helm. It's our responsibility to guide this technology in a way that aligns with our values and aspirations. So as we step into this brave new world, let's do so with our eyes wide open, ready to seize the opportunities and tackle the challenges that lie ahead. It's up to us to shape a future where AI serves humanity, not the other way around. We have covered a lot of ground today, from AI in the workplace to AI in the arts. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We started our journey by looking at how AI is reshaping the workplace, making it more efficient and productive. We discussed how AI is automating routine tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. But we also highlighted the challenges, such as the need for continuous learning and the risk of job displacement. Then we moved on to the world of entertainment. We explored how AI is revolutionizing this industry, creating new forms of art, music, and even movies. We saw how AI can generate scripts, compose music, and create visual effects that were once only possible with human hands. Next, we delved into the realm of education. We saw AI's potential to personalize learning, to adapt to each student's needs, and to provide valuable feedback to both students and teachers. We discussed how AI can help overcome barriers to education, such as distance and language. We then ventured into the arts, where AI is breaking new ground. We discovered how AI can create new forms of art, push the boundaries of creativity, and even challenge our definition of what constitutes art. Finally, we looked into the future with AI, contemplating its potential to transform every aspect of our lives. We considered the ethical implications of AI, the need for regulation, and the importance of ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Reflecting on all these points, it becomes clear that AI is not just a technological development. It is a cultural shift, a new way of seeing and interacting with the world. It brings vast opportunities, but also significant challenges. It is a tool that can help us solve complex problems, create new forms of art, and improve the quality of life for people around the world. As we embrace the AI revolution, let's remember, AI is a tool, and it's up to us to use it wisely.